Welcome guys to this new task from ALX, C programming. So we have to read all through the requirements. I have to rush this, and if you need the files, I'll share the link on where you can see or where you can open it on comment section. So after reading the requirements, then we go to the GitHub, create a repository, create a token if you do not have one, then clone your repository in your terminal. We all know how to create a repository. After cloning a repository in your terminal, you cd to this, then create a readme file. On this task, we are going to create two readme files. Please let us not forget, because if you read from the requirement, you can see it, create a readme file containing description of repository, create another readme file containing description of the project. So the first readme file we'll create the first readme file in this directory. We'll create the first readme file in this directory, the vi readme.md. You can write anything, but like I wrote here, start coding with C today. Then this, after that, you come out from your VI, then you create another directory, which is this. Then cd to this directory. Then I create another readme file with message containing description of project via readme.me. Then C level coding. You can write anything because they say the message, you write a readme file containing description of project. Then after that, we now go to the first task. So the first task, this is the question to write a script that runs a C file through the preprocessor and save the result into another file. So you see it, to write this script, you use VI editor. You can use any editor, Emacs or Vim, but I use VI 0 preprocessor. Then the first line, you put this. Then the second line, GCC, you put this. Then the next question, write a script that compiles a C file but does not link. You see it. Then the first line, you put your VI editor like this. Then the first line, you put the second line, this. Please, I'm trying to rush this. In case you don't understand, I will share this file on the comment section. The number 6, after reading through this, please know how to understand and write your scripts. Then see, here is it, VI, yes, VI, that's the answer. Then number 3, write a script that compiles a C file and creates an executable name, CIS phone. Then here is it, VI trade-name. Then when your VI editor opens, you put this, Then execute the files. We all know how to execute files by now. chmod, u+s, then the first task, second task, third task, and fourth task. Then after executing it, git add, git commit, then git push. Then after that, we now go to the main C program. Here they say we should write a C program that prints exactly programming is like building a multilingual puzzle followed by a new line. Please, when you open this, please do not make any mistake. If you make any mistake while writing this program, your checkers will not check, because wherever there is space, there is space there. Wherever you have to take to the next level to type, you do. Please don't make any mistake. Okay, for assuming them open my sandbox, my terminal. Oh, my terminal is logged out. Please guys, hold on, let me open my terminal. Okay, now I've opened my terminal. Okay, let me cd to this directory. So if I press ls, you see the first readme, and you see this. Let me cd to this. You see the second readme file I created. So now name vi for the here. See. So as you guys can see, you guys can see how I wrote my own script. You can see here, the only space we have here is from here. You can see the space. Then you write the script, and that's all. When you're done, you go out from your VI. So here's 45. Write a C program that prints exactly with proper grammar, but the outcome is a piece of art followed by a new line. So you VI to this, you write the program. Here's the program Here's the C program, what you have to write. When you write this first line, then space here, write the second line, write the third line, fourth, fifth, space, the next line, this bracket, write this, then this. Then number 6, write a C program that prints the size of various types on the computer it's compiled and run on. Then vi size.c. Write the first line, space, write this, space, this, write bracket, write this, then bracket close. Then number 7, write a script that generates the assemble code, enter syntax of a C code and save it in an output file. Then vi 100-enter. So here's the script. Write this. There's number 8, which is the last one. Linux is basically a simple operating system, but you have to be a genius to understand the simplicity. Write a C program that prints exactly and that piece of art is useful. $copper 2015-10-19, followed by a new line with the standard error. They will use a VI editor 101.code.c. You write the program, write this second line, space, write this, space. And please, in case I forgot, whenever you open a bracket and press enter, it will shift to this side. Don't start from here writing, leave it will shift to here, and you start writing. Please let all your program be exactly like this, otherwise your checkers will not check. Please, I will share the link to the files. I will share the link to the files on the comment section. Then after that, execute the files. After executing the files, you can now check your codes. Thank you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.